Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl IJ. So today I have a very interesting video for you all. It's going to be 5 tips to help you make that girl obsessed with you. Now you've probably gotten this girl's attention and you're trying to win her over. I'm about to help you not only win her over, I'm about to help you make her hooked up on your juice, on your drugs, on everything you. So if you want to know how to, and hooked up without spending money, see, I'm not here to tell you that you have to spend 1 billion to get a girl. I'm here to tell you that with little money, little or no money, if you do all of these tips, you're going to get her obsessed with you. So keep watching. So straight into the video. So the first way to help you make a girl hooked up on you, like obsessed or want to always be with you or choose you, okay, is visions and not possessions. Okay, you need to talk about your visions and not your possessions. Because see, a lot of you guys make this mistake of meeting a girl and all you want to talk about is, oh, I own a house, I have 2 cars, I earn $1 billion, I'm Mr. Nigeria, I'm Mr. Universe and all of that. No, talk about your visions with a lady and not your possession. Because see, most times when you talk about your possessions, it comes out as if you're bragging. A lot of women see like you have pride, you're arrogant, you're just talking about your money, what you are, what you have, I mean your bank account and all of that. Now when you're trying to win a girl over, talk about your vision. Women love to be with men who have plans, who have visions. Women are builders. They want to pick men who have visions. They want to build with you. They want to push with you. They want to grow with you in your vision. So when you're talking to a girl and you want to keep her stuck with you, don't talk about your possessions. Focus on your visions and not possession. Okay. The second tip here is do not be her friend. Okay, just calm down. Do not be her friend. I'm not saying be her enemy or be rude to her or all that, but do not be her friend. You meet this girl and you know you want to date her. You know you want her to be your woman. You don't want to be her friend. Okay, so do not be her friend. Do not make her put you in that friend zone. Okay, don't let her friend zone you. So if you are talking to her or you're someplace and she's talking to someone and she's like, oh, meet my friend, correct her. Even if not in front of that person, but make sure you let her know I'm not your friend, okay? I am not your friend. Put it out there. Then she's like, oh, then what are you like? You know I like you, so I can't be your friend. You know I want to date you. You know I love you. You know I want to have something more serious with you, so I'm not your friend. Do not introduce me as your friend. Now, keep planting that in her head so that she doesn't friend zone you and then you've lost her like that. Now, I have a video on how to get out of a friend zone in case you're already in a friend zone, so make sure you click on this link here to go check that video out in case the girl is already friend zone you. So do not be her friend, okay? Do not be that person that she calls to come do handyman stuff for her at home and all of that. So do not be her friend. Let her know you are a lover. Let her know you are the one, because she's gonna have, women usually have lots of male friends. So do not be her friend. Correct it very fast. Do not let her make you her friend, okay? And the third tip here is make her laugh. Now, you don't have to be a comedian. I'm not saying go and start cracking dry jokes, but if you meet a lady you like and you're kind of connecting with her, try to make her laugh, okay? You don't even have to be super funny, but make impressions, you know. There are things you should know about her, there are things you should know that cracks her up. I'm assuming you started talking with this person and I mean you guys are already like trying to date and all that, so you know a thing or two about this lady. So try to make sure you bring out that happy side of her. Try to make sure that whenever you're around her, that's when she laughs the most. Try to talk about things that you know will crack her up. Let her laugh until her stomach hurts. Now, if you can make a girl laugh a lot of times when you're with her, she's going to be hooked up on you. She's going to be obsessed with you. She's going to want to be with you a lot. And if she has not made up her mind if it's you she wants to date, if you do all of this, trust me, she's going to start considering, like, start with this guy, it's like all my sorrow just disappears and all I do is laugh, I'm happy and all of that. So learn. You don't have to be a comedian, but you need to learn how to make your lady laugh. You need to know something. There must be something that she really likes, that whenever she sees it, she laughs. Maybe she's the type of person that likes to watch Instagram comedy, or all these comic skits, or funny animals sleeping, or some stuff like that. Then send her those videos. Send her the kind of jokes that will crack her up, the kind of jokes that she likes. So make sure you're always making her laugh, and she's going to be hooked up on you. Okay? And the fourth tip to make a woman obsessed with you is be open and honest with her. See, guys, be open and honest to a lady that you like. Okay? Do not make her catch you in a lie. You heard me right. Don't let her catch you in a lie. Don't tell her A when it's B. Okay? If you know you're someplace and she asks you that, just say where you are. Be open and honest with her. Be honest about your intentions, especially. Be honest about how you feel about her. Be honest in general. Trust me, even if it's a girl who you just want to hit and you're not ready to date her, trust me, if she's also not ready for a relationship and you hit her with that, I really like you, but let's see if... And if she's someone who... I'm not saying this is the best way to date. I don't like all of this kind of dating. But if you just want to smash, be open with her. Be open and honest. Maybe she just wants to smash also. There are a lot of girls there who are not ready for commitment, but they want a man who they can chill with once in a while. So be open and honest with this lady if that's all you want to do. And if you want a serious relationship, like I said, do not be her friend. Go straight to the point. Be open and honest about your feelings and how long you want this, how much you want this relationship, and and everything about your life. Be straightforward about it. Do not tell her you're Mr. A, at the end of the day you become Mr. B. Do not pretend to be who you are not. Do not pretend to be who you are not just because you're trying to fit into her space so that she'll say yes to you. So be original, be you, be open and honest, so that on the long run she knows that, okay, you're not changing. This is you giving me you. Because a lot of times, I speak to a lot of women, so a lot of times women are like, so he made us fall in love with him, and all of a sudden he became somebody else. So do not fake it, okay? Do not try to be a gentleman just to win her over, then only to make her miserable at the end of the day. So be open and honest. Let her see your true you while you're still asking her out, okay? Now the last tip I'm going to be giving you here on this video is don't tell her everything. Yes, I know I just said be open and honest, but at the same time, don't tell her everything. Be a little bit mysterious. Women love mysteries, okay? I'm not saying you're lying, okay? It's just you not telling her. For instance, you own a shoe company, okay? Now, you can tell her you like to wear this brand without telling her you own the company, okay? You can own a cake factory. You can tell her you love this cake, or you work in this IJ's bakery, okay? You don't have to tell her you are IJ. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So don't tell her everything, okay? Just let something wow her along the line also. So you're not lying. She didn't ask you, do you own this bakery? And you say no, but you said you work here, so yes, you work there because you own that company. So do not tell her everything. Let there be a little suspense, good suspense. Don't do bad suspense anyway. So do not tell her everything. Be open and honest about who you are. At the same time, don't tell her everything. You will unfold just like the onion. You keep unfolding as you go. Just keep unfolding as you go. So make sure that you keep some things, somewhere that will keep thrilling her as you keep unwrapping them. So this is the end of the video for today. I hope you find these tips very, very useful. I will see you in my next video. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit on this notification bell and the subscribe button here. Subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Until next time, stay loved, stay beautiful, and bye for now. Mwah.